Hi guys, it's Fan from Review My Life coming to you with an honest review for a pair of speakers that I take with me whenever I need to bring the beat. You can check out Fugoo's website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out the website. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the website link is in the description below. And they're even running a promotion on their website, so be sure to check it out. So it's big, it's bad, and it's loud. The Tough XL Bluetooth speakers you always wanted is here to bring the boom wherever you take it. The Fugoo Tough XL encases 8 acoustic drivers in a rugged aluminum with a polymer jacket that holds up so you can turn up. It's 100% waterproof and it's Bluetooth. Who else wouldn't want that? It's a Bluetooth speaker which is 100% waterproof, so it's IP67 rated as well. It boasts a 35-hour battery life with a built-in microphone that has Siri or Google Now capabilities. The Tough XL is submergible in 3 feet of water for 30 minutes, so don't be afraid to bring it in the pool, in the ocean, or with you on your next adventure. I've had this speaker since November of last year, and it's still going strong. The battery life has continued to amaze me, and I've hardly ever had to charge it. The sound quality is superb. It hits the lowest bass notes I've heard outside a 2.1 type system, and I kinda got yelled at by my neighbors while testing its upper range, so that's how it is. The audio is crisp and clean with the speakers, and it literally has speakers sticking out of every side. So although it isn't startlingly loud in one direction, it sounds just as excellent if you're in front, behind, or on its sides. Put it in the middle of the room, and you're set. What impressed me is how open and broad the Fugoo XL sounds. The stereo imaging you get is the best for its class for such a kind of speaker. And the Fugoo XL really manages to fill a room with sound, and it has a lot of depth to the sound. While most other speakers sound as if the music was rather trapped inside, the sound is not very directional, so you can just leave the speaker placed on the ground and it'll sound just fine. It's built like a tank. I never worry about breaking it. It's completely waterproof. Fugoo even has videos of them submerging it in water while playing with no side effects at all. It's constructed as two pieces. The speaker itself slots into the shell. The style though and the sport are all the same speaker. So yeah, just pull out some tabs on the bottom. You can slide the core out to see its impressive construction. The battery is excellent and I've never managed to run out in normal usage. Honestly, I've been in a whole day barbecues with families, friends, and the Fugoo XL reliably pumps out music all freaking day. The Bluetooth pairing is simple and the connection is super solid. There's also a line in to play music via a normal headphone cable, and I use this along with a USB charging port to connect a Chromecast audio to my Fugoo. This gives me synced audio with the rest of my house that I can carry out into the backyard. Super great for parties. So get yours now and get loud. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Fugoo's website down in the description below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!